Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day in my life. We got a busy day today. Today is Thursday. This is my last day pretty much before I just jump into school. This weekend I coach Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and then I start school Monday. So I'm a little bit stressed. There's a lot to do. Today I need to get some school stuff together. I want to set a good routine, and then I have to do all my packing for this weekend. It is a lot of work to get everything together. We are starting to get all of this stuff done. This video is actually sponsored by Fabletics. I'm really excited to show you guys some cute pieces because I'm gonna pack some for the mountain, and I'm wearing my cute little leggings. I'm about to go work out. I was having a fantastic morning. Actually, I feel like I need to sit for this. I got to talk to some of my friends on the phone, which is always fun. I love keeping up with them. You gotta give like an hour of your day and do the full catch up. But then I got a sort of not super nice comment. Usually the comments just don't affect me. I have been doing this long enough that I've seen a lot and I've dealt with a lot. But today I was upset and I replied to it. Sometimes I just delete them if it's just like out of left field. But sometimes I'm like, okay, if you want to reply to this and help explain the situation, then we might as well clarify this now because this is a comment that I've been seeing and it has to do with me moving. Someone was like, just watch, she's gonna move in 3 months and this is ridiculous. I don't even know how it was phrased, but it wasn't super nice. I feel like if you've watched my channel for long enough, it's pretty obvious what my journey has been. I didn't want to move so much. I think maybe the moving confusion is because I moved home for like 6 months and then moved out of my parents' house. That was gonna be like a little reset, save money, focus on school, deal with some other family stuff. So then I moved out, which was the plan initially. I never broke a lease. I'm not like moving for content. This is not fun for me. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys this because you're not the ones leaving the mean comments. So thank you for the nice supportive comments. Most people realize when you're young and your life is constantly changing so much, you are gonna be moving a lot. I had no idea I was gonna get into nursing school. I got in and in 2 weeks I started, and then 2 months later my lease ended and I needed to reset. And now I'm here, and I have said before, like, I want to stay here for more than a year. I'm so tired of moving, and I hope that I can set this place up and fall in love with it enough that I can be here for 2 years and then figure out like what my next move is. Maybe I'll be here for longer. I don't know. I can't predict the future. I'm gonna turn my morning around and I'm gonna go work out. One of my favorite quotes is that life is 10% what happens to you and 90% how you respond to it. We are gonna respond to this positively. We're gonna go work out and have a good time. And I'm wearing my cute new Fabletics stuff. I'm gonna go show you in my mirror. Every month they have such cute stuff, so I like showing you guys what I got. We got these nice tan leggings. They have this nice little crisscross pattern. I think this is super cute. They're high-waisted, and then they also have a pocket right here, so I can actually put my phone in here, which is really nice if I'm gonna go like take a walk and I just want my hands free. I love that they have these hidden pockets. This is just like a nice little cream shirt. It's really lightweight, so I just thought it would be like nice for the gym. I tucked it in the back because I like seeing the little details here. I'll show you guys the rest of the collection because I'm gonna pack some of the stuff later on for the mountain. Let's go to the gym. I just did 30 minutes of cycling and it felt really good to cycle again. I don't do that very often and I'm gonna do it more. And now we are finally in the mini gym by myself. I'm gonna do some core stuff and I may get on, I forget what these are called. They're like the little balance boards over there. I can do tuck holds on them and it's really good for me. Probably gonna do some box jumps because I've been wanting to get on this box for a while. Maybe we'll do the box jumps first. Actually, I'm gonna plank first because I did a lot of legs. Let's do it. I was just checking out my leggings to make sure that I didn't have like sweat marks on them, and I'm really happy to say they are sweat proof. Thank you, Fabletics. You are amazing.
I can't feel farther away. Wait on a moment to say that I want you. You know that I want you. Your sudden gaze and time it started racing, but moments tend to fade and you're too far away from me to get my name in. Someone keeps blocking my way. I can't feel further away. Wait on the moment.
I I am back post-workout. I feel so much better. Gosh, isn't that crazy? When you actually push yourself to do something that's good for you, how much better you feel. I worked out, I took a shower, I'm wearing this cute Fabletics fit. They're these really cute gray joggers, super comfy and soft, and I love how high-waisted they are. This little brown tank is paired with it, and I love it. I need to make lunch. What time is it? 12:17. I'm doing well. I keep thinking the day is going by too fast, but I'm like, you're doing great. We're eating up our groceries here because I'm gonna be gone for 3 days. I desperately need to cook the chicken tonight. I have some leftover tomato feta soup, so I'm gonna do that. Then we're gonna make a salad. I need to get some balsamic dressing because I keep using the same dressing and I'm getting sick of it. Yeah, we're gonna make this, and then if I'm still hungry, I can make something else. A little bit of this. I need to also cut up an apple. I gotta start the packing prepping process because it is extremely time consuming. I have such a good question of the day. This is not going in at the end of the video, but whatever, you guys can still answer the question of the day. Are you a soup person? And if you are a soup person, what is your favorite type of soup? I feel like I've been hearing more and more people who do not like soup, which is shocking to me. I am obsessed with soup. I went through a period of my life where I actually didn't really eat breakfast, but I needed to eat breakfast, so I just had soup instead, and it was fantastic. It's hard for me to pick my favorite type, but I do love this tomato feta soup from Trader Joe's. It's really good. I love all soup. Also, while you're in the comment section, if you have any fun lunch ideas, let me know down below. I definitely need to hit up my lunch Pinterest because I know I have a lot of good stuff on there. I feel like I need to be re-inspired because I'm kind of on this soup and salad kick. I also really like sandwiches, but I don't really like to make the sandwich myself, which is problematic because that can get expensive. Alrighty. Lunch is served. Looks delish. Usually I do some emails and sometimes I watch YouTube and stuff while I have lunch, just kind of some chill time. After I eat this, then we're gonna deal with school.
We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye.
I'm gonna show you what I did. I have this beautiful calendar. I'll try to link it down below if you guys are looking for it, if they still sell it. I still am gonna go back and I'm gonna highlight the weeks that I have tests because right now I have all the weeks labeled. These are the week numbers. The ones with the asterisk mean that I have this on-campus clinical on Wednesdays, but that's not every week. That's only weeks 1, 2, 3, 7, 12. My schedule is different every single week, which is why I basically need this because sometimes I have class on Wednesdays and sometimes I don't. My in-person clinical, real life in the hospital 12-hour shift, that begins week 7. No, after week 7. Week 8. And I have spring break in here. I tried to put some ski team stuff in here, but not really because I am coaching pretty much all the Saturdays. It's a busy schedule. I feel better now that it's all written out. At least Tuesdays, I can party. I thought I would show you guys what's in my backpack. I get so many questions like, please do a video about what's in my nursing school backpack. I may do an actual video because God only knows what is inside of this backpack. I have no idea. I'll show you what's inside as I clean through it because I know it definitely needs to be purged. And there's a lot of stuff in there. I brought a trash bag here. I think I need to just put this in a separate video. Okay, we have one more dreaded school prep task for today. And that is to buy a textbook. Every single term this has happened and I've gotten like roped into feeling like I need a textbook and then I never use it. So this term I actually asked one of my friends who's in the term above me. She's pretty honest. I think I actually am gonna need this textbook and I clearly have assigned readings. I think I'm gonna try to rent it. Let's see how cheap I can get it. I can rent it for $16. Wait, you're kidding me. Amazing. All right, add to cart. I think tonight Katie texted me and she's gonna come over and we're gonna make dinner together because we both do not want to eat out. You guys, I need to pack and I don't want to get off this couch. I really gotta pack now. Let's get started. The one excited thing I am gonna pack and I'm really hyped about is this new set from Fabletics. Also, I don't know if I showed you guys this cute little sweatshirt. I'm wearing this. This is from the February collection. This ponytail. I tried to take a nap and then I talked to Cam instead. So that was fun. This weekend, I have 2 nights at the mountain, 3 days skiing. I need to lay out my clothes for tomorrow. I'm going to definitely bring this set from Fabletics. It's navy. It's so cute. Pull over. This material is so soft. I actually have this in white and I wear it all the time. So I know I'm going to like the navy. And then it comes with matching sweatpants. I'll probably wear this when we get back after the mountain for when we're chilling. And then I'm going to wear it it to the hot tub because I don't like to just walk around in my swimsuit. I want to put something over it. This is perfect and very cozy. The other thing that I wanted to show you, they're little shorts. They have the best sweat shorts. These are the go-to drawstring sweat shorts. Can you see this fuzziness? And they're white. They're really cute. I'm probably gonna wear these in the spring and the summer, or like just hanging out around the house. And they go with this navy tank, which is the same exact brown tank that I was wearing earlier, but it's a navy. Fabletics always is offering their 2 bottoms for $24 offer. It's an amazing deal. You get it when you sign up to become a VIP member, which you can do by clicking the link in my description. They also give you a ton of other discounts year round. This is what they're currently offering too. Sometimes they offer more than 50% off. Fabletics, I love you. That's also what I'm about to open up, is my drawer of Fabletics, because I wear their leggings to ski in. I really like their Power Hold leggings and their winter fleece lined leggings, like their cold weather leggings. Power Hold ones are just really nice because they're super thick and I never get any creases at all, so it's very comfortable for me. Skiers will understand. If you have creases in your leggings or in your socks, it's really uncomfortable to ski in. I'm gonna grab 3 of their leggings. Probably need another pair of their black Power Hold leggings because I wear them so much and I know I have a pair in the laundry right now. Sweatpants, and then I need some long sleeves shirts and some socks, and then I usually need a lot of beanies and some sweatshirts. Let's just cue the packing.
I was lost, but you helped me find my way. Tainted by a desire, cause I was scared to face the truth. You pulled me out from my anxiety. You took away the lies I've been telling myself. You took away the fear I've been hiding away. You took away my insecurities, now I feel so naked.
We are pretty much all packed up. I feel like I had so much stuff. Katie got off work and she is gonna come over for dinner. I told her I would start cooking it up because I know she's literally starving. I'm gonna prepare this dish. I haven't cooked this in forever, but it is the lime, coconut, cilantro, chicken, and veggies. I make it all the time on here. I feel like I'm always filming when I make it, which is funny, but I will link the recipe down below so you guys can follow along. It's like good, delicious comfort food. And then as that's cooking up, I need to prepare the snacks for the weekend. We use lime, coconut milk, a little bit of vegetable broth. This isn't really necessary, but I follow the recipe-ish. I've kind of substituted ginger, garlic, chicken, cilantro, all the veggies. I have a shallot in here somewhere. I'm gonna start the chopping process, listen to some music, maybe a little podcast. Let's get this party started.
Into the place, a spot you from a race. My heart, it started racing.
All is well with the world. Katie's here. I know, it smells good.
From the 80s, someone keeps blocking my way.
You know the dinner's good when she's literally taking the spoon to the pan. Wow, this is like the best compliment a chef could ever receive.
No sauce wasted.
Guys, this night flew by. It's pretty much 11 o'clock and I gotta go to bed. I wanted to get a little bit more done. I wanted to do some editing. That's okay. I still feel like it was a good, productive day. Packed the food, cleaned the kitchen. Got to spend time with Miss Katie Mack. We started watching the Olympics, which you guys know. I'm an Olympic fanatic. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had fun coming along. Thank you again to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I love working with them. You guys need to check out their February collection. Their stuff is so comfy. Like, I think I'm just gonna sleep in these pants because they're so nice. And I'm gonna leave a link in the description box for you guys to check out their VIP membership where you can get the best deal. You also get access to their Fabletics Fit app, which has a bunch of cool workouts for free. I should have totally done one of those today. Their instructors are really good. They have a bunch of shorter workouts, which I love. A good full body workout in without spending like an hour working out because I don't always have an hour or two. I love you guys so crazy much. I'm gonna have an awesome weekend before school starts. Good night.
Worry that I'm crazy, 'cause if it's all true, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying.